Wow, everybody. If all of you enjoyed this train video here, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button for me. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other people to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. But until my next train video, They call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a pleasant one and take care. And thanks for watching.